Today I want to talk a little bit about foreign investors in U.S. real estate. You know, one of the things most foreigners that invest in U.S. real estate don't realize is that you don't, as a foreigner, by default, pay tax on the profits from your rental activity. You actually pay tax on your gross rents without any deductions. That's right. So let's assume you own a house in the United States and you're renting it for $1,000 a month. Technically speaking, your renter is supposed to withhold $300 of the $1,000, 30% withholding tax, and pay it to the IRS and give you the remaining $700. And that $300 that went to the IRS, that's gone. You're not entitled to a refund. And a lot of people get caught in this because they don't get proper tax advice. They don't realize that they're supposed to be withholding from the renter or the property manager, and then boom, all of a sudden when they go to sell the property or something, it comes out that there's all these unpaid taxes. Now, it is possible for foreign investors in U.S. real estate to pay tax on the net income. That means the $1,000 in rent, less expenses, you pay tax on what's left. That absolutely does work, but you have to make a special tax election with a tax return, and you have to have an ITIN number in order to file a tax return and make this election. Now, the huge benefit of this election is the profit is also obviously smaller than your gross rent. And because of depreciation deductions, you almost always never actually wind up with a tax liability in the United States. But you have to make the election properly. And another thing a lot of people don't know is if you don't file your proper tax returns within 16 months, you're just denied your deductions. You can't even claim them. So it's really important for foreign investors in U.S. real estate to make sure that one, they're filing a tax return, that two, that they're making an election to pay tax on the net basis, and that they're filing in a timely manner so they get their deductions. At Esquire Group, we specialize in preparing international tax returns for people who need to file in the United States. If you need good advice and you need to file a U.S. tax return, come check us out at esquiregroup.com.